Established aquarium maintenance business, Sydney, New South Wales. This is an unmissable opportunity to acquire an established, profitable business with the guarantee of ongoing work. The owner is opening a new retail aquarium shop and e-commerce store and no longer has time to run the existing maintenance business. He will support the new owner with technical assistance, referrals from his new retail store, and supply of products at discounted rates. Servicing residential and business clients throughout Sydney, the business can be run from home with very low overheads. If you're passionate about fish and aquariums, this is your chance to do what you love whilst earning an excellent income.